How and why are Delhi schools receiving bomb threats? In a pattern that's been over past few months, two more Delhi schools, prominent ones, have received a bomb threat via an email. It's DPS RK Puram in Delhi and GD Goenka that have received these bomb threats, which means emergency services have been immediately rushed to the schools. Delhi Fire Department were rushed right away to the school premises. And I quote from the information coming in. It is written in this email that, and I'm quoting from the mail. It is written in the mail that I have planted bombs in many schools of Delhi and will blow them up. Many schools in Delhi have received threatening mails. Meanwhile, Delhi police has said that schools are being checked. Nothing suspicious has been found so far. Extremely scary. Remember, in the past few months, just to give you a background, there have been multiple schools receiving emails. There hasn't been any bomb that has been found in any of the schools, but we are talking about children. We are dealing with them, and therefore every call, mail, in whatever kind, will have to be taken with all seriousness. Shreya Chatterjee joins me this morning. Shreya, you know, it's concerning and it makes one angry as well. Is someone just playing a prank, some terror group testing waters? What is happening right now and what kind of protocols are put in place?
Well, you know, all these threat mails today came in three different schools. One in Paschim Vihar, one in RK Puram and the other in Vasankunj. The Delhi police has obviously gone, and the protocols of checking whether anything is found is also being done. The school also intimated the parents in the wards well in advance about the entire thing, but this has become a repeat thing now. In the past 1 year now, we've seen multiple such incidents coming, but no possible headway has been made. Initially, there were also the investigation led that there were IP addresses masked and the mails were sent from outside. But apart from that, there hasn't been any headway in this case. This is only something which is a major cause of concern and that still continues so far as Delhi Police's investigation is concerned.
So tell us about the two schools, Shreya, that have received this time and how there's been a pattern in the past few months. We've seen increasingly more and more schools that are receiving, because I'm wondering about the kind of burden it puts on our resources and on an emergency basis.
Well, absolutely. See, three different schools got the threat mail today. One is DPS RK Puram, the other is DPS Vasankunj, and the other one is GD Goenka Paschim Vihar. So all in total, three schools received the bomb threat messages today, and technically this happened around early morning, around 6:15 and 7. Post which the Delhi police was alerted, and apart from that, the family members of the students were also alerted about the entire protocol. The school was emptied, and right now at DPS RK Puram and others, Delhi police is present. They're also trying and seeing that whether there is any veracity to the threat message that has come. But clearly the job becomes difficult on the part of the Delhi police towards identifying the source of these emails, because in most cases they are being used as masked VPNs to send these emails where Delhi police's investigation is concerned. And as you rightly saying, Pooja, this has become a routine thing right now in the national capital, with such bomb threats coming almost regularly to different schools now.
Please stay on with me, Shreya, because this absolutely is something that needs to be pondered upon. While the government has been looking into it, the question is, where are these mails coming from? We have now the big details. The details of this bomb threat email to schools have been accessed. The threat mail says, and I quote it here, bombs have been planted, will blow up the schools. We'll pay $30,000, so pay up $30,000 or we will blow up your school. Multiple bombs have been planted inside. Imagine reading this email early in the morning when children are entering into the school premises. That's why it's extremely scary, and it puts a lot of, remember, the kind of panic that goes around for parents, for families, and of course for the administration of any school. And then the threat comes in the email. You deserve to suffer. You deserve to lose your limbs. Shreya, so clearly a threatening nature, but also asking for a certain ransom. You know, it shouldn't be difficult to be tracking where these emails are coming in. And stay on with me on this, Shreya.